Serving the community has always been a big part of what we do at Perfect Service Heating and Air. Every day our team is out working in homes across central Alabama, helping families stay comfortable and making sure their systems are working the way they should. But every once in a while, problems come up that some people just aren't prepared for. Sometimes we get the opportunity to give away a brand new system to a lucky home in need. That opportunity brought our team from Perfect Service Heating and Air right here to this home.
Oh, it felt really good. It was wonderful.
It was definitely a godsend.
We didn't realize it was that bad until y'all come out and showed us.
We really try to do our best and helping out with the community, because sometimes issues arise that everybody's not always ready for.
Moments like this remind us that our work is about more than just heating and air. It's about serving the community we're proud to be a part of and helping the people who live in it. And opportunities like this wouldn't be possible without the incredible customers who continue to support Perfect Service Heating and Air.